Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: power, fiber, and account info. Plug the ONT directly into AC, avoid unreliable strips. Once done, inspect the SC/APC connector for dust and secure it until it clicks. Dust causes signal loss. Make sure you have the ONU serial and service ID before proceeding, because technicians may ask. If the PON LED still blinks after reseating, move to a controlled test. Swap power adapter and check signal with another ONT if available. Now you diagnose the link and configuration. First, test the fiber with a visual fault locator or power meter to confirm light and continuity. A weak power reading explains blinking. Next, swap ONT units to determine if the device or line is faulty. If another ONT registers, provisioning or cable is the issue. Then, access the ONT web UI or serial console to verify VLAN, LID, and MAC settings match Pldt records. Make config corrections and reboot to retest the PON state. Finish by powering cycle and waiting patiently. You must allow 3 to 5 minutes for PON synchronization and automatic provisioning. If the PON LED remains blinking, collect your findings, light levels, swap results, serial and timestamps, then contact Pldt support and request a line test or remote reprovision. If they report optical power out of spec, arrange a fiber clean or physical splice repair. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent blinking usually points to optical power or provisioning mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.